Hello you, the page inventyourjob.com was registered, now it is work on progress. Today's talk is about making money, creating content, and find new ideas using our problems as example, even those problems you must live with for the rest of your life. More specific title is, Packaging Problems, Issues, Weaknesses, Fears, Defects, and Unique Features of Our Daily Struggles and Sell Them. It is your chance to transform, you're that thing, in a superpower. You already have something unique. Make something of it. We want the honest and sincere view of the reality, not for mercy. Wrap all of these in words, emotions, and information and deliver them to the world, through a YouTube talk for example. I am an observer of life, welcome to ENRICH Talks, the place where truth has a mouth and two eyes, and sounds like this voice. What I hear daily, hard life will have the girl who will marry you, I do things in replay mode, I am upside down, a mess, I am so clumsy, awkward, and silly, stupid, and because I analyze too much, before taking a decision, I am difficult sometimes, because I am not like the majority. When you look at people around you, those who you know best, you have the impression that they are perfect, all the skills and talents, no worries, no fears, like a perfect, but fake iconic human. Here is the line of being yourself, or hide behind the problems, with a great smile, or show only your strong points and show power in every word you say. Some random facts, daily routines I use, to help myself, and reinvent. I wash my teeth with both hands to train my brain to use both of them, in the morning with left, at night with right hand. Another routine is that I draw daily, read some pages from a book, and write some thoughts, to boost creativity. Now multiply this habit with 10 years, yes, subscribe to my colorful channel. I say oftentimes, the word no, from thoughts to toxic people, from fears to fish bait offers. I exercise daily the English language, I am not native speaker. I control my time, if I must wake up at 4 a.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m., if I am tired and have the possibility to sleep at 12 in the middle of the day, I do it, or at 7 in the afternoon, I sleep for 2 hours, and then work until 1 in the middle of the night. I pray and thank God for the gift of each day, I meditate and take breaks to observe the place where I am, to be aware of the signs around me. I have 2 handwritten lists, one is with the important tasks I must do this month, and the other is with spendings, wish list, and bills, other costs. I have an episode with the 30 days waiting rule, link in description of this video. Even if I can buy everything I have on the list, I must wait, maybe I won't need it anymore after 30 days, or God will help me receive something in an providential love way. I have patience, I am calm, and also I question everything. Enough with the introduction. The 3 principles are, packaging, you have to know yourself, good enough to help yourself and accept problems and get used to the fact that some things in your life, you cannot change because they don't depend on you. The work you do is to offer advice, examples, and help to other people just like you. Wrap the elephant in the room in simple words, use information and colors, establish a price, and go selling. I saw people with health issues, birth signs, character problems, life struggles, life fears, weakness, poverty or ugly or unique looks, who transform their life facts in YouTube channels, websites, books, guides on how to, personal brands, courses, and even documentaries about themselves. People invent things, search and find solution how to survive with their personal living conditions. A girl who has a form of cancer, was writing a book for parents who have kids with this problem, so they know what their child needs, and cannot say, although a free book found in hospitals, an extremely useful one. The second principle. After packaging comes growing the community, organize groups, meetings, conferences, with the main purpose to find solutions and work together, help together, ourselves. Like the obese people community, they have meetings, parties for them, dating sites for them, working places and job ideas for them with their particularly problem. Been there, done that, healed. I know a simple way, you must do that, or ask for help. You must not be lazy, and with low self-esteem. Many of the rich, famous, successful people, happy wives, artists, sportsmen, too tall or too short, are not the perfect ones. Their defect, struggle, or life issue was the motivational factor to make a change in the world around them and inspire to help other people like them, and transmit the message. The number 3 stage is make money, why someone should pay for your time, your friendship and experience, information, sincere counseling, healing, build a small hospital, factory, family center, life projects, foundation, love place, something visible in the community and that can be multiplied at world scale. Packaging problems, issues, weaknesses, fears, defects, wrong past decisions that you suffer from right now, not begging for mercy, for donations, or pity. The feeling of sorrow and compassion caused by the suffering and misfortunes of others. We want the honest and sincere view of the reality. Packaging these facts of life and learn from them, is how people find a life purpose. They create a project and invent their future job. They do this form of work and get paid for it. The unlimited source of motivation, because with some problems we live since the first day till the last day of our life, for example the rare skin color or a talking defect. Another interesting episode I have is, the agony of connecting the dots, link in description of this video. Use what you were born with, if you know yourself. It is your chance to turn your that thing, in a superpower. You already have something unique. Make something of it. Thank you.